Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Steam. Access your game library step by step clearly. First, make sure your computer or phone has a stable internet connection. If you are on a PC, decide whether you will use the Steam desktop app or the Steam website. To use the desktop app, open your browser and go to steampowered.com. Click the Install Steam button at the top right of the page. Download the installer and run it to start the setup process. Follow the installation prompts and finish installing Steam on your computer. Open the Steam application from your desktop or Start menu. On the login screen, click Sign in to Steam. Enter your Steam account name in the Account Name field. Type your password carefully in the Password field. If you do not have an account, click Create a free account and complete the registration first. After entering your details, click the Sign in button. If Steam Guard is enabled, check your email or Steam mobile app for the security code. Enter the Steam Guard code in the box and confirm to continue. If you are on a shared device, do not check Remember My Password for better security. If you forgot your password, click I can't sign in and choose the password reset option. Complete the verification steps and create a new password if needed. Once logged in, look at the top menu and click Library to view your games. In the library page, you will see a list of your own games on the left side. Click any game title to open its game page and see Install and Play options. To install a game, click Install and choose the drive location if asked. Wait for the download to finish and keep Steam open during the process. To play an installed game, click Play from the game page in your library. If you want to log in through the website, go to steampowered.com in your browser. Click Login at the top right and enter your account name and password. Approve Steam Guard on your phone or enter the email code when prompted. After logging in on the website, click your profile name and select Library to see your games. If your library looks empty, confirm you are using the correct Steam account and not a different login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.